My name's Emory Olds. I work here at Sierra International Machinery. I've got an anniversary coming up. May the 12th will be 14 years. We're here in Jesup, Georgia. This is our facility. We build and test two-ram balers in, also conveyors.
So it's great to see this facility, the way we're growing. We started with phase 1 in 2008, did phase 2 in 2011, then we jumped 3, we did 4 in 2018, and now we're doing phase 3 in 2022. We have grown tremendously. The quality of the equipment is incredible. The market has really liked what we had to offer. We keep adding facilities so we can produce more and keep up with demand. So we had to set all the plate on this area right now. There's a lot of backlog of orders for plate and things like that. Well, we were ahead of the curve and we ordered a lot, so we got plenty of plate to keep building, because if you don't have plate, you can't build machines.
So into the building down here, this is a 160-foot wide building. Currently it is 300 foot long. We're going to expand this building another 150 foot this way. So we're going to take down this wall and these 3 doors and expand all this space out another 150 foot. That's going to add about 24,000 square feet to this building. We're also extending the crane rails. We're going to be adding more cranes to this building. Behind me here you see our 5-axis burn table, and we're adding another one of those, so that'll be part of the expansion as well. We're going to give more space to the employees we have, but yet we're also going to be finding and hiring more employees to occupy that space to help improve productivity, opening spots for equipment earlier in the year.
Kind of interesting for me because I picked the land, I designed the plant, I did it on phases, and to see, all of these come together, it really was great. Sierra is a good company. We've been doing this on the ferro side for almost 40 years, and then, like I said, we cut the ribbon in this place on 2008. Since then, things have gone unbelievably well. It's good to see what's happening, and I'm so very happy.